I know. Pointing to some bushes? That's how we get into the garage? Yeah, I don't think we're going to do that right now. We're going to go get the mail, remember? Want to go get the mail? Alrighty. Yeah. See, we're taping you for Granny, aren't we? Oh, I hear Luke. Oh, we do have a ball out here for Shadow. Good, we can throw that in a few minutes. Do you see the ball, Benjamin? Look, look, the ball for Shadow. Want to go get the ball for Shadow? Ball, ball. That's right. There it is. Are you going to go get it for Shadow? Okay. Oh, be careful. You got to go around the plant. You going to go around? We go around. No. That's right, we do. We have that plug. Oh, you're going to get the ball. Oh, Shadow knows where you're going. She knows. You're right. Got it? Oh, we're not getting it? We're going past? Alright, well, let's see what we're going. See you later. Say bye, guys. So now we're just walking. You didn't get the Benjamin. You didn't get the ball. Alright. Yeah. We spotted you. Say bye-bye, everybody.